Afternoon class. So today in SST class we are going to start our third chapter, plains, desert and islands in India. So before starting the chapter, I just want to give you a little introduction of plains, desert and islands. Okay. So the first I'm going to explain you the definition of plains. Okay, firstly you should know that what are plains. Okay, in a simple explanation, a plains is a large area of flat land with trees are called plains. जो बहुत लार्ज एरिया में फ्लैट लैंड होती है जहाँ पे हम मोस्टली क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करते हैं. ओके, एंड लैंड विथ ट्रीज आर कॉल्ड प्लेन्स एरिया, जहाँ पे ट्रीज होते हैं. एंड द वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल दैट वेयर वी आर लिविंग, ओके, दिस इज प्लेन्स. ओके, प्लेन एरिया. नाउ इन सेकेंड पॉइंट, in other words, plains are very common and found on every continent and covers 1/3 of the land on earth. Okay, हमारी अर्थ का 1/3 पार्ट हमारा क्या है, प्लेन्स में है. So as you can see in your pictures, these are some pictures, examples of plains. Look at, there are trees on lands. Okay, small trees on lands. Now farmers are growing crops in lands. Now which type of crops they are growing in land? Rice, wheat, sugar cane, millets, jute, maize are some crops grown in here. Okay, so the next one, types of plains in India. Okay, how many types of plains in India? There are two types of plains in India. Firstly, the northern plains, which is called इंडिगो गैंगटिक प्लेन्स. इसका सेकेंड हम क्या नाम से इसको कॉल करते हैं, इंडो गैंगटिक प्लेन्स, द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. सेकेंडली, द कोस्टल प्लेन्स विच इज डिवाइडेड इन टू ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स, वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स. टू कोस्टल प्लेन्स आर ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स एंड वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स. सो रिमेंबर अगेन, two types of plains are northern plains and coastal plains. Coastal plains divided into two parts, eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Okay, now the example, from Punjab in west to Assam in east, means in west side means western coastal plains located in Punjab, and in east Assam. Okay, as you can see in your picture, how do northern plains and coastal plains look like? Look at this. You can understand better by the picture. So the first picture is northern plains of India. As you can see in your Indian map, the red spotted area, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, these are commonly known as northern plains. Okay, now come to the second picture, western and eastern coastal plains. Now look at the black mark. Area marked with black shade indicate coastal plains. Coastal means located near sea, land and sea where meet called coastal plains. Okay, now come to the next topic, islands. Definition of islands. Okay, so the first point, just look at the first point. A piece of land surrounded by water is called island. वो एरिया जो चारों तरफ से पानी से क्या होता है, सराउंडेड होता है. A piece of land surrounded by water is called island. Is it simple? Now there are 1208 islands in India. How many islands in India? 1208 islands. Now which includes, उसमें क्या क्या इंक्लूडेड है आइलैंड्स में, विच इंक्लूड्स रिवर, मरीन, लेक आइलैंड्स. ओके, अंडमान एंड निकोबार इज इंडियाज आइलैंड विच इज ऑल्सो द यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन इंडियाज आइलैंड, अंडमान एंड निकोबार, एंड ऑल्सो we can which is also known as union territory of India. Now You can see the picture of islands. Look at, surrounded by water. The first picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture, all the area, the land which is surrounded by water is called island. Okay. Now come to the third number topic, deserts. Definition of deserts. Okay. In a very simple explanation, a dry areas that receives less than 250 millimeter of rain each year. Can you imagine कि जो हमारे ड्राई एरियाज़ होते हैं जहाँ पे सिर्फ सैंड ड्यून्स होते हैं, डेजर्ट्स एरियाज़ होते हैं, वहाँ पे पानी बहुत कम होता है. दैट्स वाई दे कॉल डेजर्ट्स. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड पॉइंट, डेजर्ट कैन बी हॉट एंड कोल्ड इन टेम्परेचर. वो कैसा भी हो सकता है, टेम्परेचर के अकॉर्डिंग हॉट भी हो सकता है और कोल्ड भी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल थार डेजर्ट विच इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट. ओके. द थार डेजर्ट जो डेजर्ट है वो हमारे इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा डेजर्ट है. ओके. नाउ द लास्ट पॉइंट इज देयर आर 14 deserts in India. How many deserts in India? 14 deserts in India. You can see in your picture how do desert look like. Look at the sand dunes in first picture, second picture, in third picture and fourth picture. Acha, which animal can walk on sand dunes? Only camel. ओके. ही इज़ अ किंग ऑफ डेजर्ट. ओके. जैसे कि फॉरेस्ट का हमें किंग कहते हैं लॉयन को, ऐसी डेजर्ट किंग है कैमल. ओके. ही कैन वॉक ईजली, ही कैन रन ईजली. ओके. बिकॉज ऑन डेजर्ट दिस इज़ नॉट easy to walk properly or and even run properly, but camel can run and walk properly. That's why they call the king of deserts. Okay. So you can see in a picture location of Thar desert on Indian map. Look at this is a Thar desert. You can see in a white circle located in Jaipur mainly. Okay. Now there are some more pictures of deserts landform. There are so many deserts like Hamada or Rocky Desert, Regenstoni Desert, third one Erg and or Sandy Desert, Badlands Desert, Mountain Deserts. Okay. So I think this is enough for today. This was the introduction of this chapter. Okay, and this is my request that if you have a book, so please read this chapter. Okay, tomorrow I will explain more about this chapter. Thank you so much. Keep revising. Thank you.